Breaking news, guys. We're back with a new video on YouTube.
What a wonderful...
Wait a second. It's Christmas.
Whoa! Magic.
Magicians never reveal secrets.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Hey guys, it's Cassandra and
Trevor.
and we're back with another video.
So today, we're back again with SNACKCRATE.
This is our second box.
Second box. This time with...
We are so excited to find out what country it's from. Our last one was from Poland, and if you didn't watch that video, I will link it below, as well as I'll put the iCard here so you can go watch it if you'd love to see our first video of the SNACKCRATE box. Are you excited? We are so excited.
I really want to know what it is, and I don't know why. Just I've been waiting for. It feels like it's been waiting like 100 million years
For it to come in?
Yeah.
I know, this is late. It was supposed to be for last month, but it just got here now, like on November 12th. So we were patiently waiting for it. We do have another snack box coming from This With Them. It's called the British Candy Box, which I did order last month as well. We're still waiting for that one. It says it's still in motion, so hopefully it'll be here soon. But but we are so excited. We couldn't contain it. Like we got everything ready and we got so excited. So we are gonna open it right now. Do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
Now this time I did splurge and I got the one with the drinks. So we have 2 cups here so we can try whatever drink is in the box, because Trevor wasn't sure if there was a drink in there, but we shook it and it sounded watery. So okay, moment of truth. We're gonna look at it first. I didn't see what it was. Did you?
No.
We're gonna look at it first and then we'll show you guys. It's from the Philippines. See, are you gonna turn it around to show them? No, turn the box around. So yes, again, this is what the box.
We got the Philippines.
We got the Philippines this time.
Falls out.
Oh, hopefully not. Well, this is what it looks like. It comes with a little card of all the snacks that you get, which is pretty nifty. And then it comes with I guess it's a sticker, another sticker as well. And then another sticker of the Philippines, of different things. And then this is what the little package looks like.
Okay, I'm getting really hungry.
I know, right? Good thing we were doing this when we were hungry. Okay, are you gonna, okay, we're just gonna open it.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, let me see that thing first. I wanna see that.
Can I take this off?
Yeah, you can open it. Ooh.
Oh. Oh. Wait, can I pop them?
No, yeah, I guess so. Oh wow, look at, this is all the goodies that you can get.
I'm squeezing.
And then, is there another page? Oh god, that was loud.
It's a
And
hard
then,
count.
this is as well. And it does, we got the Philippine brand juice. Is that what that one is? It is, it's 4 Seasons. Ooh, it's juice. Okay, so let's put it back in.
Can I show them?
No,
Oh no, yeah.
I'm gonna show them what's in how the box is. Look at all the goodies, man. That looks so good.
I'm so hungry.
Okay, so
I'm excited.
we're just gonna start taking stuff out like usual. Oh yeah, you wanna show the drink?
I'm
Ooh, it
so
looks pineapple.
thirsty.
Ooh, it's pineapple. I love pineapple. Really?
I can't. It just bothers
Yeah,
me.
pick something and we're gonna try it. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. It looks like there's a lot of candy in here. Oh my god. Looks like there's a lot of candy in here. So, the first thing that he is grabbing, what is it called?
Bigger, tastier, crunchier. Boy Boang Cornet.
Boang Cornick. Oh, they're like corn nuts. So that's the first one. I love corn nuts. I haven't had corn nuts in ages.
I don't like the smell of it.
Well, you gotta try it.
No.
Oh, it's not even hard. Oh. Oh. In your face. Oh. Oh my god. I'm in love. I love corn nuts in the beginning. In the first place. Like, come on.
I do not like it.
Why?
I just don't like it.
Mmm. What's that say?
Sponge crunch. Oh, it's in pieces.
Huh.
Let's try this. Huh.
Oh, they're little ones. Okay, so they're called Choco Soaked Snack. Sponge Crunch. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
It's chocolate.
Oh yeah.
It's like a Rice Krispie.
I see you.
That's good.
But
No?
not
Oh, you don't
really.
really like chocolate things.
Yeah.
I like one.
Woo! So we got you cake. What on earth is that?
Yube cake. Luscious oob.
Hi
Maybe it's oob. Flavor wrapped in a delicate sponge cake. Whoa, the air went out fast. Oh, it's like a cake. Just split it.
The dinosaur stepped on it.
Oh, that's it. It's just a sponge cake. That's a weird texture. It's weird. It's like it melts, but it like turns into sand. It feels like, doesn't it?
Yeah. So far, two of these I haven't liked.
It's okay. It's such a weird thing. I should have just. We
I'm
should.
gonna save that for you.
I don't think I really like it that much.
Me neither.
Too bad Grandma wasn't here because she'd probably love it. Okay.
Cloud 9 Classic.
Oh, it looks like just like a normal chocolate bar.
Caramel.
Yeah.
Yep. Lucius caramel, crunchy peanuts, and soft.
Oh, it's like an O. Henry.
Ooh.
Okay, like first. Good thing you did first.
Want it?
No, take a bite. Oh God. Oh gosh. Let's see. Ah! I took it out of the package.
You can't really bite it.
No.
No.
Oh my God.
The moment you try to bite it,
I did it on my side of my tooth.
you try to like.
I thought you're like, like going into it like nothing.
I thought it was gonna be soft. It said soft.
It did, didn't it?
Yep.
And soft nougat. Wow. So that was kind of
Oh.
interesting.
Ooh.
So those crackers. We only have 4 things left. Oh, they gave us 2 of them the same thing. Is it the same thing? Okay, well we only need to eat 1.
Well, these aren't.
Okay, well let's show them.
So,
You're in the way again.
can I show them both?
Yeah.
So, wait, what else? Sky Flakes, crackers,
One's chocolate.
chocolate, and
Vanilla milk. Sweet milk.
so these are the packets.
Yeah,
They have
no.
longer arms.
So those are the packages. They're like little wafers. No. Which one do you want to try first? I saved this one first.
Yes. Feel this texture.
I can feel it in the package, yeah.
No, like the outside.
Yeah, I can feel it. It feels weird too.
I know. Let's do it.
Oh, it's,
Oh my god.
that smells like, I don't know what that smells like.
It smells like something we've had
Oh,
before.
it's condensed. No. Oh, it's sweet milk flavor. All right, and then is it one big sandwich? Oh, it is too. Oh,
The
yeah,
break
no.
happened.
You break it in half. There's 3.
Oh.
There's,
I can break it.
I know, hold on. There's 3, I don't know if you know, you probably won't be able to see it, but there's 3
I
lines.
broke this one in half for us.
I'll take, you want to take a bite? Oh.
I like the crackers. Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
I like the crackers.
I feel like I've tasted before, but like it was a good texture. It tastes good. I can't remember what it tastes like. Just want to get the one you broke. Oh, you broke it. You opened it the wrong way, you dodo brain.
Ow, I have my nose.
Well, take that one out and get this one. Because somebody didn't realize how he broke it. Here. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we have sky flakes here. Well, we have something like it.
Yeah. Do you like my hat like this? Hi guys.
This is a wafu. Wafu
Wifey.
roll. Wifey. Wafu rolled wafer with creamy chocolate filling. It's like those what are they called? If I remember what they are, I'll put a picture of it somewhere or I'll insert it somewhere, but this is what it reminds me of. I mean, maybe not taste-wise, but chocolate filling. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh, crap. Oh no, it's breaking.
Excuse me.
Ah, put your hand there.
That's all I get.
Yep. Oh no.
Got friends everywhere.
Oh no, everything's breaking.
Let me take a bite.
I'm trying to open it so you can take a bite, but it was not letting me open it. Ah, it's getting everywhere.
Yeah. It tastes like, it feels, the texture of it feels like those things that we've eaten before.
Those little round ones, right?
Yeah.
They're starts with a P, I think.
Scrumptious. And then now
Now, the moment of truth, we get to try this drink. It's Philippine brand, 4 Seasons Juice Nectar.
I am really, really damn excited. Dang.
Jeez, Trevor.
Dang. Dang, 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 dang.
Okay.
Dang, dang, dang. Dang.
Oh gosh, that's. Am I supposed to shake it? Probably not, because. Chill, unsure. Oh, shake before serving. Oops. Oh well.
Yeah, good job. Well, we can kind of shake in here, but just do it really slowly.
I'll just take a little bit.
This looks like slime.
Yeah. So the color. I don't know if you can see the color.
Get stir sticks.
And go get stir sticks. He's gonna go get some stir sticks.
And since somebody forgot, not me, guys, totally not.
My bad. I should have read it. I read it, but I didn't read the. Because I mean, I would think that. Well, we did kind of shake it up already when we were shaking the box.
Guys, watch this.
When we were shaking the box,
I'm a good drummer.
right? When we were shaking the box, it shook up. So. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Oh wow.
Tastes like fruit punch.
Just tastes like juice. It tastes like the Fruit Melody one. The Fruit Melody from Sunright.
Oh, never mind.
Not bad.
Oh.
Not bad at all.
That aftertaste slow. Woo.
Wow. Oh my god, did we mention that Trevor got a haircut?
No.
No, we haven't, and you haven't been on camera yet since then. Yeah, why are you so nervous now? Isn't his haircut look so cute? He has no more color. This is all his natural color.
I don't like my cowlick.
Yes, and then the reason why we would always, because he has a cowlick
like
right there.
Yeah, it's
And he has like one right there. He has two
like
cowlicks.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's
all right,
where I'm
guys.
keeping that on.
Well, thank you so much for tuning in to see what we got and what we tried from SNACKCRATE. It was actually a pretty fast movie. We're movie stars now, Trevor, didn't you know?
And gave spoilers.
I can't believe that we got from the Philippines. It was actually very nice.
Next SNACKCRATE.
I know. Hopefully, I'm going to get it again this month. I'm going to pay for it so we can get another SNACKCRATE for next month. Hopefully it won't come.
Oh, and did we point out?
Oh, yes. And this is Trevor's. He bought his own first merch from one of his favorite YouTubers. It's from Mr. Beast. He wanted to represent Mr. Beast because he likes Mr. Beast. Actually, we both do. I actually think he's pretty cool too. Secretly. Yes, secretly. On the low key that I actually like watching his videos.
Not really a secret. You told all your fans.
Well, now they all know. He got his first merch from his first YouTuber that he really likes.
Yep.
So anyways, that was it. Thank you so much for coming by today and stopping by our channel and watching us. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Hopefully it will be our British candy box, because that's what we're excited about. We can't wait till it comes in. But yes, so we hope that you have a great day, and we will talk to you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.